Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. If you don't know me, my name is Selen and I am architect. On this channel, I do videos about interior design to show you how you can elevate your space and create a place that you can proudly call your home. And if this is something that you're interested in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want me to design your space, please go to the link from the description box and let's work together. So without further ado, today I'm going to show you how you can make your home look more luxurious, and I will be giving you some designer secrets that you might not heard of before. So stay tuned until the end of this video because it is going to be lit. Now, when we look at the luxurious interiors, we see one thing in common, which is they all have a theme, and these themes could be completely different from each other, which is fine. So why having a theme is important when you want to upgrade your space? When a space has a theme, we can visually connect different areas, different rooms easily, and we can also have a better understanding of your style, which makes us think that you know what you are doing in your space and everything is intentional, and there is a thought behind it. So, your aim should be to make people experience your interior theme from the first second that they enter your home until they leave. And for you to do this, you should know what you want. Let's say you like traditional interiors and find decorations that has a rich history behind it interesting. Make sure to use classical European style decor from the entryway of your home and also in every room to create a visual flow and also make it look more luxurious. I have a friend and she was really into plants and that tropical look, so when we were designing her house, we tried to include tropical elements from her entryway and also in every room to create a visual flow, and honestly, at the end, everything comes together really nice. What type of theme you want to go for doesn't really matter, but you just have to make sure that you use that theme everywhere in your space and also find a theme that you really enjoy seeing around, because obviously that's the main goal. Like, we have to enjoy the space that we are in. When you want to create a luxurious space, you should invest in quality rather than quantity. And this is especially becomes more crucial when you buy furniture. And the reason is that you can always change your home decor because it doesn't really cost a lot to change some cushions or like maybe a rug or something. But you cannot change a whole sofa or a dining table in every few months. And because of that reason, make sure whatever you get for your space is durable and also feels and looks luxurious. If you're on a tight budget, you might be like, I cannot get this sofa that I want, so should I just sit on the floor or what should I do? Of course not, but remember that the sofa that you like is not the only one on this earth, and there are so many similar ones, and maybe you just need to do some more research and find the one that has a similar kind of quality and has a more affordable price, and I'm sure it is possible to find that. Honestly guys, trust me on this because it is going to help you more on the long term, because obviously you don't have to change your furniture every few months if you care more about quality rather than quantity. Have you ever stayed in a 5-star hotel, or have you ever seen a luxurious house tour online on YouTube? If you did any of those two, you probably noticed that they have a great lighting fixtures to highlight the space. And the reason is that lighting is a great tool to create an atmospheric space, and also without a good lighting, all the little elegant details and all the furniture and wall art cannot shine through. So all the effort that you have been putting to elevate your space is going to be lost, and we don't really want that. So, if you want to make your home look more luxurious, start from upgrading your lighting fixtures and focus on creating an atmospheric space. And for you to do that, you can start with your statement piece, which is the main lighting source in your space. Chandeliers and big, bold lighting fixtures are very popular, but honestly, you can go for anything that can make a statement in your home. But is that enough? Unfortunately not. So you should also incorporate different types of lighting such as accent lighting and task lighting to add more dimension to your space. Accent lighting is the lighting that you use to highlight your favorite decor, artwork, or architectural details in your space. So picture lights or lights inside the cabinets can be considered as a accent lighting. And task lighting is the one that you use to do some tasks. So this could be a floor lamp or a table lamp in a living room. So make sure to incorporate all of those three in your space if you want to make your home look more luxurious. And if you're on a budget, like I said, start with your statement lighting and then incorporate accent and task lighting after. Now, if you want to create a space that looks luxurious, having a dimension and also creating a space that is sophisticated is really important. And one of the easiest ways to do this is by wall panels. I don't know if you realize it, but it is very rare to see a luxurious space with only plain walls. And if they have plain walls, they probably have some interesting molding details or ceiling design, because having architectural features upgrade any kind of space, and honestly, wall panels don't even cost that much. Another great thing about wall panels is that there are so many different ways of creating it, so I'm going to share some nice examples with you so that you can also use them in your space. If you are enjoying the content that I'm creating for you guys, please hit that subscribe button because it really helps this channel to grow and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Now, I feel like glass is something that can add so much versatility and also luxury into your space because it is delicate and also elegant material that we have been using for ages, but I guess we are not aware of that. So if you want to level up your space, make sure to add some glass decor, maybe on your shelves or on your coffee table or even on your lighting fixtures. One of my favorite ways to use glass decor on my home is by using a glass vase to display my fresh flowers, and also seeing the water inside the vase kind of calms down the energy in the space and it really makes me feel happy. Now, if you want to create a luxurious home, you should think twice about the textures that you brought into your space, because it can either help you to level up your space or mess it up. So, my rule on how to decide the textures is very simple. When you're in doubt, go for textures that makes you want to feel and touch with your hands. I don't know about you guys, but when I see a velvet texture, I just can't stop myself from putting my hands on it because I just want to experience that feeling. So I think you can also use the same method if you are not sure if the texture of that furniture or decor is a nice one or not. How did you find this video, guys? Please drop your comment below because your feedback is really important, and like I said before, it helps me to see what kind of content you want to see more and what kind of content that you are not really interested in. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more, and turn on all your notifications by pressing the bell. And like I said, if you want me to design your space or if you need any kind of help, I'm going to put my website link in the description box, so make sure to go there and follow me from Instagram at selenarchitecturaldesign for daily inspirations and interior design tips. Again, thank you so much for watching, and please stay safe until I see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.